Hello, this is Language Learning Log Week 2. The last day of university classes was this Wednesday. While I probably should be studying for my finals, Gen Chem 2 next Tuesday, linear algebra next Thursday, discrete math next Friday, honors physics 2 / electromagnetism next Monday, or next Monday. I have instead been relaxing. Therefore, despite the purpose of these posts, my language learning activity remains low. On Duolingo, I've made 0 XP on Sunday, 120 XP on Monday, 15 XP Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and 30 XP on Saturday. On LingQ, I had low activity Monday and Wednesday, and I opened the app on Tuesday. I feel I found it difficult to motivate myself to use LingQ this week because what I wanted to watch, this Japanese podcast, was too difficult and boring. So even though I wouldn't have a pop-up dictionary, I'm considering going back to reading ReZero Kara Hajimaru Isekai Seikatsu, I think, the first light novel of ReZero. I think it would be more engaging and I could enter it into and annotate it with the prototype of Tutor Engine while I do it. When I was reading it earlier in April, I found it really engaging, but I stopped because I was struggling to handle the constant bombardments of homework. Now that I've decided I'm not going to have plugins for Tutor Engine to start, and because I figured out a method to make plugins work on websites, I'm considering just making Tutor Engine a website instead of using Flutter. I also realized that the underlying principle of cross-device syncing is to have a server that handles every interaction internally. Having offline use and then attempting to reconcile changes with the server requires a server that can handle every interaction internally. Therefore, start out with just a server that handles every interaction internally. Therefore, an offline app is not required to start. Therefore, an online app is required. Therefore, Flutter would have to make a bunch of server requests. Our Flutter's async UI modules are annoying to use. Therefore, it would be much easier to use something centered around async UI modules. Web browsers are centered around async UI modules. Therefore, web browsers would be less annoying to use. A website that allows use of the app is also required. Flutter can create websites, but websites generated from Flutter are not good. Therefore, creating a website from scratch will result in a better website than using Flutter as well. However, potential investors seem to love Flutter and not like homegrown solutions, understandably. Therefore, I should consider whether this actually makes sense. Also, I decided I'll just do these vlogs on Saturday instead of Sunday, because Sunday is study day. Have a good day.